In a small town, there lived a boy. His name was Jake. Jake lived with his parents in a comfortable home. His father worked hard every day. His mother cooked delicious meals. Their table was always full. Fresh bread, warm rice, sweet fruits, tasty vegetables. Jake never thought much about it. For him, food was normal. It was always there. But Jake had a bad habit. He wasted food. Every day his mother served him meals with love. But Jake often complained. Sometimes he said the food was boring. Sometimes he said he wanted something better. He took big portions, then left half untouched. Rice went into the trash. Bread was thrown away. Vegetables were wasted. His mother felt sad. She often told him, "Food is precious. Do not waste it." But Jake did not listen. He laughed carelessly. He believed there would always be more food. At school, Jake did the same thing. He bought snacks. He took one bite, then threw them away. His friends noticed. Some were surprised. Some said nothing. One day, Jake's teacher spoke about hunger. She told the class that many children in the world sleep hungry. Some have no bread. Some have no clean water. Some pray for just one meal. Jake listened, but he did not truly understand. To him, it was just another lesson. Then one summer, something unexpected happened. Jake's father lost his job. The family's money became tight. Things changed quickly. Big meals became smaller. Snacks disappeared. Fancy foods stopped. His parents tried their best, but life became difficult. Now every piece of bread mattered. Every grain of rice mattered. One evening, Jake came home hungry. He opened the kitchen cabinet. It was almost empty. He looked for snacks. There were none. He looked for sweets. Nothing. His mother served dinner quietly. A small plate, just enough to eat. Jake stared at it. For the first time, he realized how little they had. He ate slowly. He finished every bite. That night, his stomach still felt hungry. He could not sleep well. For the first time, Jake understood what it meant to want more food and not have it. The next day at school, Jake forgot his lunch. By afternoon, his hunger grew stronger. He felt weak and tired. Then he saw his classmate, Sam. Sam came from a poor family. His lunch was small, just one simple sandwich. Sam noticed Jake sitting quietly. Without hesitation, Sam smiled and shared half of it. Jake was shocked. Sam had so little. Yet he still shared. Jake took the sandwich slowly. Every bite felt important. For the first time, he felt grateful for something so simple. That moment changed him. Jake remembered all the food he had wasted before. Bread, rice, snacks, meals his mother made with love. He felt ashamed. When Jake went home, he hugged his mother. He apologized sincerely. He promised never to waste food again. From then on, Jake changed completely. He took only what he needed. He finished every meal. He respected food. He even helped his mother serve smaller portions first. If he was still hungry, he took more later. He also began sharing food with others in need. Slowly, Jake understood a powerful truth. Food is not just something to eat. It is hard work. It is love. It is survival. And wasting it means forgetting how precious it truly is. From that day on, Jake never wasted food again. And he taught others the same lesson.